Hi guys. Hope you're feeling good. Today in O-Level Biology, Lesson 2, Gas Exchange and Ventilation. Gas exchange is diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide across a respiratory surface. Ventilation is bulk movement of air into and out of lungs. Neither term means respiration, the enzyme-controlled release of energy in cells. In humans, air passes through nose or mouth, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles and alveoli. Read left to right, inputs enter, the living process transforms them, outputs leave. Name what goes in and what comes out before memorizing the word equation. Cartilage keeps larger airways open, goblet cells make mucus, and cilia move trapped particles toward the throat. Bronchioles distribute air and smooth muscle can alter their diameter. Alveoli provide a very large surface area. Alveolar and capillary walls are each 1 cell thick, creating a short diffusion pathway. Moisture dissolves gases. Dense capillary flow brings deoxygenated blood and removes oxygenated blood, while ventilation refreshes air. Together these maintain steep oxygen and carbon dioxide concentration gradients. Oxygen diffuses into plasma and red cells, binding hemogloHbin. Carbon dioxide diffuses from blood to alveolar air. Diffusion direction depends on gradients, not an active pull by hemogloHbin. During inhalation, external intercostal muscles contract, moving ribs up and out, and the diaphragm contracts and flattens. Thoracic volume increases, lung pressure falls below atmospheric pressure and air enters. During quiet exhalation these muscles relax, elastic tissue recoils, volume decreases and pressure rises, forcing air out. Forced exhalation recruits internal intercostal and abdominal muscles. Pressure changes cause airflow. Lungs do not pull air in because they contain empty space. Exercise raises cellular respiration, increasing oxygen demand and carbon dioxide production. Receptus and brain coordination increase ventilation rate and depth, so minute ventilation rises. Read left to right, inputs enter, the living process transforms them, outputs leave. Name what goes in and what comes out before memorizing the word equation. Breathing may remain elevated after exercise while lactate is processed and normal conditions restored. Limewater can detect carbon dioxide, turning milky faster with exhaled air than inhaled air. A valid comparison uses equal air volumes and fresh reagent. A spirometer trace can show tidal volume and breathing rate, whose product gives minute ventilation. Tobacco smoke contains tar, nicotine, and carbon monoxide. Tar damages cilia, stimulates mucus, and contains carcinogens. Repeated infection and airway inflammation contribute to chronic bronchitis. Alveolar walls can break down in emphysema, reducing area and elastic recoil. Nicotine is addictive and raises heart rate, while carbon monoxide binds hemogloHbin strongly, reducing oxygen transport. Epidemiological dose-response evidence supports smoking as a cause of lung disease, but an individual's risk is probability, not certainty. Minute ventilation equals tidal volume x breaths per minute. Describe spirometer axis and scale before reading amplitude and cycle frequency. Tidal volume is 0.6 dm3 and rate is 15 breaths minute. Minute ventilation is 9.0 dm3 minute. Do not say the diaphragm moves down because air enters, confuse rib movement in inhalation, or describe oxygen as actively transported across alveoli. Practice. Explain how blood flow increases oxygen diffusion from alveoli. Answer. Blood continuously brings low oxygen blood and removes absorbed oxygen, maintaining a steep concentration gradient across the thin alveolar capillary barrier. Watch the numbers land in the matching symbols. Check that units cancel cleanly. If they do not, the setup is wrong even before the arithmetic. Practice. Tidal volume rises from 0.5 to 1.8 dm3 and rate from 12 to 28 per minute. Calculate minute ventilation before and after exercise. Answer: before equals 6.0 dm3 minute, after equals 50.4 dm3 minute. Watch the numbers land in the matching symbols. Check that units cancel cleanly. If they do not, the setup is wrong even before the arithmetic. That's all for gas exchange and ventilation for now. See you next time for respiration and energy transfer. Stay curious and see you in the next lesson.